Children, in this video I am going to explain you about alkyl and its type. Sometimes you get confused, like secondary butyl, it is tertiary butyl, how to identify this. So after watching this video you will not face this kind of problem anymore. So alkyl, first of all let us understand alkyl. From alkane, okay, alkane, when you remove one hydrogen atom, you get alkyl. You get alkyl group. We all know that alkane is a hydrocarbon and alkyl is also a hydrocarbon, but it has one free valency. So formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2. You have to remove one hydrogen. So what will be formula of this? CnH2n plus 1. Okay, for one carbon atom we write methane. Okay, methane, formula CH4. Okay, so this here will be formula CH3, but this name will be methyl. Okay, in abbreviation short form it is written somewhere, sometime ME. Ethane, C2H6, remove one hydrogen atom, C2H5, it is called ethyl. Okay, and abbreviation is used ET. Propane, remove one hydrogen, C3H8, this is the formula of this propane. Remove one hydrogen, C3H7, it is, we call this propyl. Abbreviation is used PR. Okay, butane, we use for this butane, C4H10, remove one hydrogen, C4H9, butyl, and Bu is written abbreviation. Same way we write for pentane, pentyl, hexane, hexyl, heptane, heptyl. Okay, but you find problem when till two alkyl group we don't have any problem, like ethyl, primary, secondary we never say, but secondary propyl we say. Like this I have written CH3, CH2, CH3. This is propane. Okay, now from this I have to remove one hydrogen atom. This one carbon atom is primary carbon because it is attached with one other carbon atom, and this one carbon atom is also a primary carbon atom. But what about this one carbon atom? It is secondary carbon atom, 2-degree carbon atom. Okay, if you remove hydrogen atom from primary carbon, okay, primary H you remove, okay, then you will get CH3, CH2 and CH2, this one free valency. Then this will called primary propyl. If you will remove hydrogen from secondary carbon atom, then you will get CH3, CH free valency CH3. So this free valency is present on the secondary carbon atom, so it is called secondary propyl. Now let us talk about butyl group. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here are two types of carbon atom present. If you will remove hydrogen atom from here. This one carbon atom, this is 1 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. So if you will get this one CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2, this free valency. So this will be primary butyl. Primary butyl. Okay. If you will remove from this one, then CH3, CH2, CH free valency and CH3. This will be secondary. If I write this butyl in this way, C, CH3, 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 one hydrogen is left, so I have written hydrogen here. If I remove this one hydrogen from this butyl group, then I will get CH3, C, CH3, CH3 and one free valency. So this one is tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl. If with a parent chain, if primary carbon atom of a butyl is attached, then you will name it as a primary butyl. If secondary carbon atom is attached to the parent chain, then you will call this secondary. If tertiary carbon atom is attached to the parent chain, then you will call this tertiary butyl. Hope you will have understood this one. Thank you बच्चों.